38, traffic 2.5 off, cross 4 on the right, and turn left on November. Traffic 94, turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left at order, hold short of Papa, Southwest 912. Denver 36, 01, disregard traffic.
Parking good night.
Good night, 466,
Coming out of left, Joe Lima, 0.75.
Going across line 9 left on Lima, 175, just 5,
Plus 1971 at Papa, cross going out of left, Joe Lima, 0.75.
That's not a Papa, Joe Lima, 0.75, line 271.
Number 24, 38 at Papa, cross going out left, Joe Lima, 0.75.
Left side left to Papa, and over 675, Delta, 448. And departure for Delta 1094. Delta 1094, yes, sir, good night, departure, sir. Good night, sir. Right, center top, 57, on now, Brownie, runway right, 30 seconds. 6 off, right, on now, Brownie, 757. Southwest 66, 14, on a runway right, on the way. 8 right, right up the way, Southwest 66, 14. Up 23, 38, taxi 5 at 2. Taxi is for 13. 649, good night, sorry, good night. 629, good night. 1708, runway 8 left, clear land. Clear land, 8 left, clear over 1
On November, hold short of Papa.
Take traffic 9 right, and here in Charlie, left on November, short of Papa, 2440. 48 right, perfect takeoff, Southwest 6614. Delta Papa, 03, on a runway right, on the way. Stay right, on the way, Delta.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Now we're going to 3 cross. Left on November.
Cross going out of left, Joe Lima, 0.75.
connect, departure, connect.
1251, good day.
American 2596.
Necessary 301, give way to FedEx, that hotel. November behind Southwest. Stop 13, give way to 1717 from the left, taxi runway right.
Okay, clear to cross, keep left at hotel.
Retard.
That was 4690, Bravo 11, taxi.
Bravo 11,